Hello guys, welcome back to Yummy Recipe Studio. So today we are baking cinnamon rolls. They are so soft, so delicious, and yeah, do you love cinnamon rolls? Do your kids love them? Let me show you how to make them today so that you can enjoy it for breakfast or for snacks or for whatever you want. Okay guys, so let's get straight into the video. Let's mix our dry ingredients. To some all-purpose flour, I added some salt, added some sugar, and of course I added some cinnamon and mix it up together. Don't worry, I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Okay, so now let's mix our wet ingredients. Add some milk to your bowl, add some yeast, add a little bit of sugar, and mix it. Okay, just make sure you mix it very well, and then add your vanilla. Like I said, all the measurements will be in the description box. So now I added some butter, and then add your eggs, 2 large eggs, and mix it up. Okay, so after mixing it up, you wanna go in with your dry ingredients. So mix the dry ingredient with the wet ingredient. Okay, at first I was using this to mix it up, this spatula to mix it up. Yeah, but wash your hands properly and just go in with your hands. Okay, makes it much easier to knead the dough a little bit. Okay, before you set it aside. So I have these gloves. They come in very helpful. They are so helpful. So just put them on and yeah, kneaded my dough. So it wasn't easy to knead the dough in the bowl, as you can see. So I just cleaned this surface and sprinkled some flour, and I proceeded to work on my dough on that board. Okay, so this dough must not be very hard, has to be very soft dough. Okay, super soft dough. You need this dough for like 3 to 5 minutes, and you are going to set it aside. Okay, you see the dough is super soft, very soft, and that's what we're going for. So set it aside for 30 to 45 minutes. Cover it, of course, and put it in a warm place so the dough can rise. Okay, so that's what I just did. Set the dough aside, and now we are going to prepare the cinnamon butter that we are going to put inside our cinnamon rolls. So this is it: butter, sugar, and of course some cinnamon, and mix everything together. So you know that cinnamon is not that yummy without this cream. It's not that yummy without it. So I'm going to show you how to prepare the cream for the cinnamon. Okay, so to a bowl, add your cream cheese, add some butter, and whisk it. Okay, you can use a hand mixer, you can use yeah, a stand mixer to whisk it. Okay, so now we're adding some vanilla, and then go ahead and mix it more. after mixing this for about 1 to 2 minutes, add some powdered sugar. Okay, we're gonna add some powdered sugar to this and continue mixing now on low. Start on low and gradually increase it so that you don't end up standing in some cloud of powdered sugar. Okay, all right, so yeah, there you go. Just continue mixing this until it gets really cloudy and fluffy. Okay, so yeah, there you go. This is coming together. That's what we want. And yeah, you're almost done mixing this. It's going to take you about 5 to 6 minutes to finish this, and your cream will be ready. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and I will bring you new recipes every week. Okay, thank you so much for your support, and let me know where you are watching me from. Okay, all right, so this is it. We are done with this, and we are going to set that aside and continue with our dough. So now to my working surface, I just sprinkled some all-purpose flour, and yeah, the dough has doubled up in size. Okay, so we are going to work on our dough. This time we are going to spread the dough. Yeah, the dough is super soft. So now we're trying to spray our dough. The dough is proving stubborn to be spread, but yeah, we have to do that to get our cinnamon rolls right. So there you go. You spread your dough nicely. Okay, spread your dough nicely. There you have it. Now you are going to go in with the mix of your cinnamon and brown sugar and butter. Okay, going to put this on it, spread it. Spread this nicely. Okay, let it go everywhere. You're gonna spread it all over this dough. Okay, there you go. So now we are done, and we are going to proceed to cut our cinnamon rolls. Okay, just cut them. And then of course roll them. Roll and put them in your baking pan. Okay, this is the rolling process. There you go. Just keep rolling until you're done rolling all of them. Okay, there you go. Almost almost done rolling this. The last one, and we are done. That's the rolls right there. They are going to stay in a warm place for about an hour to rise. So this is an hour later. They have risen so very well. We are going to add some heavy cream. This makes all the difference. They bake and they are so soft. It keeps them so soft, so moist, so you don't want to skip this step. Okay, so yeah, add your heavy cream. I added enough, so they are going to go in the oven, a preheated oven, 425, and bake them for just 15 to 20 minutes. They are ready. Okay, now our rolls are ready, and I'm just looking to get the cream and spread it on mine. I can't just wait to start eating them when they are still hot. At this point it's very hot, super hot, you see. So I just spreaded the cream and I just took a bite. It was so delicious, so good. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, and let me know if you'll be trying this. Okay, your kids will love it for breakfast or for snack. Bye guys.